Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and a lot of you probably did not understand the concept behind this name. So you may be wondering how come this name looks like this. So the thing is, when you go to style.css, you will see the text domain here, Tian. So I am simply using this in front of every name so that it makes sense. So Tian is like it's for Tian scripts, like it's for Tian WordPress theme scripts. So basically, if I just write scripts, it doesn't make any sense. But when I'm writing these Tian scripts, like prefixing it with the theme text domain, then it gets a lot easier locating things. So whenever you are just making you need a name, you can simply prefix the name with your text domain, and it's a good practice out there. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. If you are wondering how come this looks like this and not anything else, so I guess that answers your question if you had any. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.